This is the unboxing of the RIDGID 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, the R4241. So start by opening up the box and removing the contents from the upper styrofoam container. The package will include the RIDGID R4241, the T30 Torx blade wrench, a work clamp, a dust bag, 2 support extensions, 2 extension clamps, 2 washers, 2 wing nuts, and a 2.5-inch dust port adapter. Remove the styrofoam and the plastic wrap from the compound miter saw. We'll start by adding the support extensions onto each side. Lock the compound miter saw into position. Lean the miter saw back so you can access the bottom of the miter saw. Put the support extensions in the proper location. Using the extension clamps, the washer, and the wing nut, tighten the support extension down and into place. Repeat on the other side. Next, attach the dust bag or the 2.5-inch dust port adapter . With the R4241 compact design and 15 3/4-inch cut capacity, this tool is perfect for any job on the job site. Check out the whole RIDGID tool lineup at www.homedepot.com.